Welcome, sadhkas. Today we are at the final fifth learning step. This step is about transcendence, glimpsing, and imbibing, far to be parallel with transcendental grace. Sadhkas, the final step of initiation for Shri Vidya Kshetra is to learn to transcend and to glimpse and imbibe the transcendental grace, the way Lord Brahma, Creator, the Supreme, has been parallel with the transcendental grace. We have to learn to transcend. We have to transcend to glimpse. We have to glimpse to imbibe. We have to imbibe the transcendental grace. The enlightenment path has been the path adopted by Lord Brahma, Creator, the Supreme Himself. And the path is that one shall sit comfortably and meditate within the cavity of one's own heart. Within the cavity of the heart is the seat of transcendental Lord Shiva. We have to transcend within the cavity of our own heart. We have to glimpse and imbibe the transcendental grace lively here in the cavity of one's own heart. Transcendental grace embodiment is the transcendental family. Let us be parallel with the values of the transcendental family, the transcendental family of Sadashiv, transcendental Lord Shiv. The transcendental grace sustains the universe. The transcendental grace sustains the existence phenomenon. Transcendental grace is playing its role for sustenance, a blissful sustenance of the existence phenomenon. Sadhkas, we cherish to live a blissful life. A blissful life would mean that we are imbibing the transcendental grace and are parallel with the values of the transcendental family, the family of Sadashiv, the family of Lord Shiva. The family of the Sadashiv is having Lord Ganesha, goddess Siddhi and goddess Riddhi as the members of the transcendental family. We have to be parallel with the values of this transcendental family. We have to be parallel with Lord Ganesha, goddess Riddhi and goddess Siddhi. We know Shubha and Labh are the next generation members of this family. And other branch of this family is of Lord Skanda. We have to be parallel with the home of the transcendental family at top of the Kailash. We have to be parallel with Nandi as the vehicle of transcendental Lord and transcendental family. These all are the features. And for these features and values, Lord Brahma meditated to be parallel with manifestation of the transcendental grace as Dwadas Jyotirlinga. The transcendental grace manifests as 12 Jyotirlinga. And it is for this grace And it is for to be parallel with this manifestation that Lord Brahma, Creator, the Supreme, meditates within the cavity of one's own heart. And the attainment of this path is that one of own goes parallel with the transition and transformation of Dwadas Jyotirling as Dwadas Adityas. So the beginning, the entry point of Shri Vidya Kshetra is the path of transcendental meditation within the cavity of one's own heart. And the end attainment value is the transition and transformation of Dwadas Jyotirling into Dwadas Adityas. Let us sit comfortably. Let us follow the enlightenment path of Creator. Let us meditate within one's own heart. Within our heart is a transcendental seat. The transcendental grace is lively within our heart. We have to transcend to imbibe this grace. By imbibing this grace, we will be entering transcendental domain, and the inherent transcendental values of their own, having transcendental phenomena of transition and transformation of Dwadas Ling into Dwadas Adityas. So starting point is the transcendental meditation within one's own heart, and end reach is the transition of Dwadas Lingam into Dwadas Adityas. Let us sit comfortably. Let us be on this enlightenment path. Let us be blessed with the transcendental grace. With this learning, our initiation stands completed, and rest is that we have to follow it. So from the next session, I will be entering upon the phase and stage of my studies and explorations, as that let me consolidate and have self-evaluation report of my reach. This consolidation and self-evaluation report of mine will help us all to have our own evaluation and consolidation. Thank you very much.